artist, I'm Mariana Olson, and today we're drawing a candy cane. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're drawing a candy cane. I hope you find this lesson easy, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons like this one. We're gonna start in the middle of the paper, and then we're gonna go down a little to the left. And here I'm gonna do a circle. This circle is gonna be the bell that is hanging from the bow that is placed on the middle of the candy cane. Now, to make it look like a bell, we're gonna do a line here that goes up, and from the same point is gonna go another line curving up as well, kind of like a letter V. And we're gonna do a circle at the end on each line. There. Next, we're gonna do the bow that is sticking behind the bell. So I'm gonna start here in the middle of the bell, and I'm gonna do kind of like a rectangle shape that has very round corners. Just like that. Now we're gonna do the bow, and it's gonna come from the corner out and curve. And now from here, I'm gonna do another little curve that is gonna connect with the bell. Inside, we're gonna do a curve that goes kind of like a U shape. And in the middle, we're gonna do a line that goes out. Now I'm gonna do the same thing in the other side. We're gonna start with the corner here. We're gonna do a curve that comes down. Now I'm gonna do another one, and this one connects with the other corner. We're gonna do the curve with it here by doing kind of like a U shape. And we're gonna do a line in the middle. There. Now we're gonna do the two part of the ribbon that is sticking in behind. So we're gonna start here in this corner where the bell is, and I'm gonna come down. And in here, we're gonna do kind of like an upside down letter V. And back up. Now from this side, we're gonna go down a little. We're gonna come down, V shape, and up again. Now that we have our bow, we're gonna continue with the candy cane. So the candy cane is gonna be as wide as my bow. So I'm gonna start on this corner, and I'm gonna start going up really slow so I can go as straight as possible. And then I'm gonna start curving here, kind of like an upside down letter U. Okay. Now I'm gonna leave about 2 finger space or the width of this rectangle shape. You can do it like that. And we're gonna do another line that is gonna go up. And I'm gonna start curving, going around the U shape I did. Okay, we're gonna start going down. And I'm gonna stop here at the same distance because here I'm gonna do kind of like a U shape. So I'm gonna rotate my paper a little just so you can see. And we're gonna curve and connect. Now underneath the bow, I'm gonna imagine this line go in behind, and it's gonna come out down here. The same thing here, and imagine this line goes in behind, and I'm gonna go down. And we're gonna repeat this step by doing a curve down here. Now it's time to do some lines, and we're gonna start on this corner, and we're gonna curve in and up. Okay, now I'm gonna leave a space, and I'm gonna do the same thing, kind of like a curve in and up. I want to do one more line that goes in behind this little line and goes up. Okay. Now let's go on the top of this bow, and I'm gonna do one that cross from this corner up. So it's gonna go like this, curve up. Now I'm gonna do a second line that kind of like copies the same shape going up. And I want to continue doing these lines around it. So let's leave a space. We're gonna do another line up. Another one. And these ones are gonna go like pairs. So this is gonna be red, then white, red. We'll leave a space for white, and then we're gonna do another line. And now when I get here where the U shape start curving, we are gonna start curving as well. So this one is not gonna go straight, it's gonna go up a little. Okay, On this part, it's gonna do the same. It's gonna curve a little. So the part on this side is wider than this one. I wanna leave a space and I'm gonna do another curve. And this one is gonna curve down as well, curve down. So again, the space here is wider. We're gonna do one last one that goes down to this corner. The very last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a couple leaves in behind. These ones are Christmas leaves. So I'm gonna start from this, I'm gonna go up here a little and I'm gonna go up and then down and then up and down, up. And here my lines connect with the candy cane, that's okay. We're gonna take those lines out this way. So we're gonna go doing a bigger point like that. And now my curves are gonna go to the other side. So it's gonna hold point, curve, point, curve. And I'm gonna continue doing this until I reach the candy cane again. Then now inside, we're gonna do a line that go across in the middle, and we are going to leave a space at the end. And we're gonna do a couple lines inside, kind of like a V shape across this line we just did. Okay, now I'm gonna repeat these steps on this side. I'm gonna start kind of like at the same distance, and I'm gonna do curves. And these curves are gonna join with the bow. And now I'm gonna do the line that goes in the middle with a couple V shapes. And there, that's it. We finished this candy cane that is gonna look super Christmassy. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how the picture turned out now with all the colors. I think it pops really nicely. I use a green color for the bow and I use the yellow color for the belt, but you can change these colors if you want to. At the end, I wait until the red color was right. Then I went with a darker color, red, to do these shadows and this side. And then I changed the shadows to the inside of the candy cane. Other thing that I did is with a really light color grade, I went inside on the arch, but I went on the side of the candy cane with gray to give it a little bit more like 3D shape. And at the very end, I grabbed a color pastel. You can also grab a crayon or a color pencil. And I went and I did these lines here of light crossing the red parts. And if you see, it's giving it a little bit of a shine to the candy cane. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!